Oh boy. This ride looks pretty crazy. It goes straight up and then goes in a bunch of loops.
It's like mini Fahrenheit.
It is like a mini Fahrenheit from Hershey Park. Yeah, look at that. All right, we're getting ready to go on the Impulse. Look at this thing. This thing looks pretty menacing. $450. Here we go. Now, this thing's pretty crazy.
That is all tight.
Yeah, it is.
That's security. Yeah, they're watching us.
Yep.
Hi. I don't feel drops anymore.
Welcome to the Impulse. Please hold on to the lap bar and keep moving. Thank you.
I don't feel drops anymore.
Here we go. Oh boy.
Dad, I can actually keep my head still.
Wow, that was
nice.
pretty incredible.
Wow, dude, I didn't feel a drop. That was fun. That was fun. A little starter ride.
Yeah.
Okay, just a little drop.
Just a little.
That's a fun ride.
Yeah. So what did you think about the Impulse?
That was actually pretty good.
I didn't even know this.
keep my head still.
I didn't even know this ride existed. I was like, oh, that looks interesting. We should go on it. It was 9 tickets for the both of us combined. And yeah, it's a pretty steep drop, and then you do a bunch of turns that scrambles your brain.
Not really.